A report about the impact of Xinjiang-related sanctions by the US on the global cotton industrial chain was released in China's Guangzhou on Sunday. According to the report, the sanctions imposed by the US on Xinjiang cotton, under the pretext of so-called forced labor and violation of human rights, are harmful for the global cotton industry chain.
但是因为它的这样的一个制裁，这个过程被中断了，那所以说对于我们这个全球产业链的是一个很大的一个破坏啊。增加这种成本呢，他们是要部分转移给消费者的，所以说最终买单的还是消费者。
The report was issued after a 3-month research in 17 counties and cities in Xinjiang and Guangdong. Researchers say the so-called forced labor and violation of human rights allegations by the US are groundless.
棉花的生产端我们看到说这个新疆棉花这个作业的程度是非常之高，而且棉田用工非常规范。从这个棉花的播种环节开始就是这种机械化作业几乎是100%了。在新疆，这无人机植保它的作业面积已经超过了2000万亩。在最后一个环节，就是这个采摘环节就是它这个新疆的这个采摘率，机械作业率已经达到85%，而且这个的数值也是在不断的